Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some mountains. Let's start off by drawing the hills along the bottom of the mountain with a slightly wavy sloped line. Then, add some really long cloud shapes above it for the tops of some trees. Draw another hill going this way, and another row of trees here as well. This mountain is going to have 3 peaks. For the first peak, draw an angled, jagged line going up from the left. Then back down the other side. For the second peak, draw another angled, jagged line on the right going up slightly higher. Then back down. And finally, one more peak in the middle that goes higher than both sides. And back down to this point here. Next, we're going to add the snow on top of the mountains. Start with a really thin wavy line going up and down across the tips on the first peak. Then the second peak, and the third peak. To add some detail, add some thin, jagged lines going up towards the tip for the rough, rocky texture. And now you've got some mountains.